it's up to that bridge. Yeah, look at that pier. Can you see that? Yeah, it's up there. We have a lot of flooding. I think I'm supposed to be back here, but I'm sneaking back here to get some pictures. Look at that. It's crazy. That is the Ohio River. The whole road's covered. I don't want to keep going because I think there's power lines underwater. And they apparently closed the flood walls on the other side. It's the first time they've done it in like so many years, my mom was saying. That's the measurement song down there. It's underwater. It's all over the boat side now. That looks really creepy. Yeah, it does. Like it's just solid gray. There'll come up a big storm. That's what's going to happen. It's milky looking, it's foggy. That means bad weather. It's scary weather. You can't even see a cloud or nothing. They're just all gone. They're just, I don't know. You can see how dark it's getting. We gotta hurry up and get our ass back home. Well, yeah, look how dark it's got. And ain't even 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Like that's gonna keep water out. Why didn't they close it all the way? That's the floodgates that's closed. I told you. That's where they're closing them at. That's the floodgates. You want to know what was closed? That's floodgates there, across there. That's your floodgates. That don't look too sturdy, Maya. I thought the floodgates was like there's no... No, this is the floodgates. How's that gonna keep water out? And it ain't as tall as the flood wall. Right? Unless they're still building it up. They can still go up and up on it, those sections there. You can see that. They got that brace there if they have to go up. And they see the water coming up. I've never ever seen the floodgates up. Well, that's the floodgates. You wanted to know. Is that what they've always looked like? I haven't seen them in a long time. I've never, even my lifetime, I mean, because we ain't really had that. They ain't never had to do this. Hell. I'm gonna bring my damn motor out. It's pretty deep, right? Okay, that gas station, why did it close down? Because they were defrauding. I mean, they were just using it as gambling, using food stamps, taking people's food stamps to buy their merchandise, and all sorts of illegal things were going on. That's it? Yeah. This is the park. Yeah, all this is being flooded over through here, all this. Look at it now. Trees was planted for what? All these trees up through here, there was a veteran that a soldier got killed in the war. All these trees were planted. You can see how they're all in a straight line. Yeah. Many, many years ago, each Army veteran that got killed, they put a tree up. They planted a tree. And over the years, many, many years, they grew to be big trees. That's why they're all in a row on both sides. Yeah.
What's that big thing that the flag's hanging under?
That right there is the horseshoe here. That's a memorial thing for the veterans too. Right there is a symbol of the veterans. And all those trees back there. I had a grandfather, my mom's dad, my grandfather. He was went to the war. He was 18. Got a finger shot off and a leg shot off. He was on crutches, and he was very young. And had that to happen, and got a Purple Heart. Just a small root beer and a hot dog?
Yeah.
If you want a large root beer.
Small root beer. There's two of them. And they completely turn around. Whole road's underwater.
If you'd seen it on TV, I mean, he covered the whole hallway there. Made a big noise.
Big boulder fell.
Well, yeah. Monday it happened. This ain't nothing what it was. They got a lot of, they called in cleaning crews all this week and been working. It's that big lights out and been working around the clock. Trying to get that road opened up.
Oh yeah, busted that up.
Yeah.
Right there.
They busted it. Yeah, they come all the way down through there. Look at that. Look at all up through there.
Oh wow.
It was worse than that when it first happened.